Boing. Oh.
Jordan,
What?
who's your favorite Uchiha?
What does that mean?
Just say it. Who's your favorite Uchiha?
What is an Uchiha?
Uchiha? I said Uchiha.
Who the hell is a Uchiha?
You heard it, right?
Jericho. Who the hell is a Uchiha?
I don't know.
Oh my god, bro. So annoying. Get out of my stream. Skirt. Here comes the monster truck. Oh no, it's the monster. Oh, I did back. Viscera. Oh, yeah, get right over. RC rocks. Yeah, time for the feed. Yay, yay. Oh, not the right. Oh, oof. No, not the fiend's driving me. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, stick it up more. Yeah. Awesome. Awesome. Oh, cleaning it up now. Oh, Seth Rollins. Whoa. Oh, the Fiend Towns. Oh, Viscera, the hammer at the Fiend.
Brock's so good at this damn game.
Oh,
Jordan,
cool.
right now I'm #1.
Cool. Shawn Michaels. Oh, sweet chin music. Goldberg with a spear. Damn spear. The Fiend with the Sister Abigail. Viscera with the big Vis Slam. Seth Rollins with the current stop. Oh my god. Oh Lord. Braun Strowman with the big body. Oh, baby. Now, what's his name? Fandango running over everyone. Oh. No, whoa, hey. Everyone can push the cart over. No. Malfunction happening. Oh, my ball. My kids. Oh, my kids are going to be upside down. Oh, 5 years later. What's up, Dad? Oh, what's up? I don't know why I'm upside down. Can you figure out why I'm upside? Because this damn truck hit my balls. Oh, okay. Well. Oh, that hurt. Hey, don't hit my kid. Oh, please stop. Please. Oh, not another kid. Please, God. Oh. 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 Ow, I'm fixed. Looking for you. I'm not fixed. Yeah, because you're a big douchebag. Whoa. Okay. Oh. Here comes. Nope, they don't want none. Don't forget the legend. The legend himself. The Undertaker. Oh. Kamala. Triple H. Christian. Edge. Orton. Really hope you like that toy review, but I'm done. I'll make a part 2. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what else toy you want me to do. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day. Minimum day tomorrow, Wednesday. Haha.